going on, y'all? Yo, we finna talk REIT stocks real quick. Y'all see where I'm at? Orlando Premium Outlet Malls. It's one of my favorite REIT stocks that I'm invested in. Simon Property Group. The stock ticker symbol is SPG. Simon Property Group. Now, Simon Property Group owns over 280 outlet malls all over the U.S. And if you watch my YouTube video on REITs, I kind of broke that down. So you got to think about that for a second. You know, all them premium outlet malls that y'all see in every city, those are all owned by Simon Property Group. So we're going to take it a step further. So think about all of the stores that you see inside them outlet malls. Everything from the Lacoste, the Polo outlets, the Gucci outlets, the Prada, the Fendi, the food courts, the Foot Lockers, the everything that you see inside of those outlet malls, they all have to pay rent. So by me owning the SPG REIT, I own a portion of every single one of these outlet malls, every last one of them. I get a percentage. I get a portion of their profits. That's dope. That's super dope. And another thing with REITs, they got to pay 90% of their profits back to their investors. So you think about that. So not only are you making money off the REIT stock, but you also getting a free payment from whoever you're invested in as a reward. So a REIT, which means real estate investment trust, gives you the opportunity to own real estate through stocks. You got some people that buy physical real estate, buy properties and flip, and then you have the people that just want to own the stock and they don't want to do any of the hard work. They don't want to do any of the rehabbing, any of the having to get inspections, finding tenants, and all of that. And that's not a knock to anyone that, you know, does flip property and go that route with real estate. I'm just saying that owning REITs is just another way of owning real estate. So also, SPG also owns Lennox Mall in Atlanta. And y'all know I've been to Lennox before. We all know what that is. You know how big it is. All the stores, all the restaurants that are inside that mall. So SPG owns that as well. So every one of those stores, every one of those restaurants, they paying rent to SPG. And when you really think about it, you think about how much money they bringing in. Yo, that's crazy. All by owning a stock. All it takes is you literally investing in these businesses, in these companies. You're legally an owner of a portion of whatever business you invest in. You become a legal owner of a portion of that business. So that means when they doing well, you doing well. When they making money, you making money. You know, it's three main asset classes to building wealth. It's stocks, real estate, or owning a business. With you investing in a REIT stock, you're able to do all three at the same time. Because you're owning a stock, you're investing in real estate because it's a REIT, and you're owning a piece of the business. We got to start investing, people. We got to start taking ownership of everything. Everything, like literally. I just be trying to get this free game out, man. I just be trying to share what I learned with others. Because why hold on to this shit? Why just keep it in my head and not let other people know? You know, this shit could help somebody else. So I'd feel selfish for just holding on to all this information and not educating the people. That's silly to me. You know, some people will learn stuff or get information and won't even share it. Like, won't even try to help nobody out. Investing in the stock market is one of the simplest ways to build wealth without having to do any work. Like, I don't know how many times I have to say that and repeat that. Like, you're literally making money by doing a little research on your laptop or on your phone. Shit, you on your phone all day already. Why not be making money? Like, literally, the only work I have to do is buying the stock. You know, when I'm researching on my laptop or my phone, looking up the annual reports of a business, looking up the debt to income ratios, finding out who the CEO is, checking the earnings statement, seeing what kind of products or what kind of service they render. That's clocking in and doing the work. So after I done did all that, there's no more work to be done. Now it's just time to watch that money grow over time and let it keep compounding and just building wealth.